Here we have the SYMA X5C Explorer's 2.4 gigahertz 4-channel remote control quadcopter. It's got a 6-axis stabilization system, 360-degree version, and an HD camera. Inside the box, we have ourselves a remote controller, comes with an instruction manual, we have ourselves a screwdriver for repairs, comes with a flash drive, a cable to charge the battery, and here we have the quadcopter. And underneath the copter you have your camera, and underneath the camera is the housing for the battery. And here's the battery. Also contained in the box are some protective covers for the rotors. You have 4 of those. And then underneath we have 4 replacement motors. And this is everything you get with the SYMA X5C Explorer's 2.4 gigahertz 4-channel remote control quadcopter.